Electron gain enthalpy, or it is also known as electron affinity. Energy required when and energy required or released when an extra electron is added in outermost shell of atom in gaseous state. Its unit is electron volt, eV. Periodic trend, that is rule for this. Across the period, it increases across the period. From left to right, while decreases within a group from top to bottom. So one exception is arrived here in halogen family, that is 7th A or 17th group. Electron affinity of chlorine is higher than that of the fluorine. Here rule is just reverse. Here rule states in a group from top to bottom, electron gain enthalpy decreases. So on the basis of this, electron gain enthalpy of Cl should be low rather than that of the fluorine, but case is just reverse here. Electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is more than that of the fluorine. Question: arrange the following in increasing order of electron gain enthalpy. F, Cl, Br, I and B. Fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Answer number A. Given elements belong to same group in a group from top to bottom. Electron gain enthalpy decreases, but it is high for chlorine than fluorine. It is due to the electron density. Size of chlorine is more in comparison to fluorine. So when both will acquire single electron, then Cl minus and F minus will obtain. In case of Cl minus, electron density is minimum rather than that of the F minus. So being minimum electron density, Cl minus is stable species. So hence it is regarded as क्लोरीन में पुट गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम विथ इट्स स्टेबिलिटी rather than that of the fluoride ion F minus ion. So this is reason for that. Hence its increasing order will be as follows. I less than Br less than F less than C. Now answer number B. Given elements belong to the same period, electron gain enthalpy increases across the period from left to right. Hence, nitrogen less than oxygen less than fluorine. Next periodic property, electronegativity. Electronegativity. Tendency of an atom to attract, to pull. Attract means pull, withdraw, share, electron pair, toward itself within a molecule. its unit is electron volt, that is EP. Now rule for this: electronegativity increases across period from left to right, while decreases in group from top to bottom.